Hello folks, today is a Sunday and we have decided to go for breakfast. So we'll be basically we're looking out for a place and then when we get in we will share it with you. What do you say, Ananda?
Yeah, I'm feeling so lazy to have gotten up so early and going for breakfast. ठीक है, for breakfast let me say, walk भी चलेगा.
Chalo.
Matunga like this, completely vacant, no crowd, no traffic. Such a nice view to have.
Folks, we have reached the King Circle and actually near the King Circle is the famous Anand Bhavan. But you can see the number of people already waiting outside. So we have decided to go further towards the Matunga Central Station. Folks, we have now come to Madras Cafe, which is also very close to Amba Bhavan. But just look at the people already waiting outside to get in. It will take another half an hour. So we have decided again to explore further Amba Bhavan Coffee Club. A very, very old restaurant. But there also we don't have a place to sit. We will go further to the Matunga Central Station as mentioned earlier. So en route, this is the Astik Samaj. This is beautiful from inside. This is the famous Phoolwali Galli of Matunga. I mean, during Ganpati and all, it looks so beautiful. In fact, they encroach on the roads during those days, you know. We are now approaching the very famous Ramashray, which I think so has a history of more than 65 years. And we normally don't get a place to sit, but we are trying our luck today because their vadas early morning are fantastic. Let's see if we get a place. There is a line out here and I'm standing behind this lady. This is the ambience of the restaurant. Early mornings on a weekend, this is the kind of rush that is here. And it's normally like this. If we can show you the line when we leave, you will be shocked. It goes on to the road.
And I think the other Ramashray was, the other Ramashray had place, but fortunately we got it here, which is why we came to this place.
So our orders have arrived. That fast is the service. So I am having a plate of vada and Nandita is stuck to her idli vada. So now our third order has come. This is the coconut sevai, as it is called in Ramashray. We at home called it Shevai Musli. It's a typical GSB preparation.
GSB delicacy.
This hotel doesn't have a menu card. All that is, they have used a wall and just, written with a chalk. And this is the kitchen. So the final order has arrived and that is the coffee. The coffee that you get in King Circle Matunga is simply one of the best coffees that you can have. Probably the next competition for good coffee might be coming from Bangalore or Chennai proper. It is increasing and probably by 9 o'clock it will come here onto the road. Look at these trucks of bananas getting unloaded here near the Matunga Central Station. You won't believe it, it's nearly 8 tons of bananas every day, 365 days of the year. This is also one of our favorite walks.
This is my college.
And you have this Velinkers Institute out here. And then further down, or rather the next campus, is the Podar College. This is Podar, right? Yeah. Oh, your college, huh? Great.
But those days I used to be hardly in college.
And this is now the famous Ruia College. This is the entrance. The main entrance is further down. So this is the main entrance of the Ruia College. This is the famous DPs. since 1965. Miss Mani's near Ruia College. One part of the Hindu colony, and it is extended to the other side also.
This is Hindu colony, and then this is Ruya, and then from here we'll be going to Five Gardens. As you see, this is the walkway which is just below the King's Kitchen, where we have our walks some days, and then from here we take Five Gardens and then go home.
So now we are approaching the Five Gardens. This is one of the best localities of Mumbai, with such a broad footpath. You know, you can walk very easily out here, and thank God there are no hawkers around.
And it's so calm.
And it is so green, so beautiful. And now we plan to go and sit in one of the gardens for some time. This is also a part of the Parsi colony. And just look how beautiful it looks. So we are now at the famous Five Gardens. It's just beautiful. And in the Five Gardens you can watch people play, do yoga, do their morning exercise routine.
Can you see this beautiful structure? It is the JV Vacha school. It's a beautiful place. So you see how challenging it is for us, because we should have great willpower. You have to cross all the South Indian restaurants and then come to this place for a walk. So we get that fragrance of idli, vada, dosa and everything that you want to have in the morning. But we still go home and have our breakfast, which are cooks for us.
So now we have entered the VJTI lane from the Five Gardens. We are now in front of the VJTI, which is one of the foremost engineering institutes in our country.
So with the sun-kissed profile of ours, we are going to end this walk here, and then thanks for being with us in the morning, enjoying the breakfast and the walk. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. See, this is the first time we've thought we'll tell you what we do on a weekend, like, you know, what we do on a Saturday, what we do on a Sunday, because we have a lot of followers asking us, what do you do normally on a weekend? Because they know that Monday to Friday is a day where it's very hectic. So this is one of our offerings through a video. So please let us know if you've liked it, and please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Actually, it will help us grow and we'll enjoy together. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.